Google just released a new AI assistant for Android that also works offline without any internet. It is called Cosmo, and actually, Google accidentally released this on Google Play Store, and some people actually got to try this out. But now, if you try to download this on Play Store, it will say, "We are sorry, the requested URL was not found on this server." So basically, it's now removed from the Play Store, probably because it was an accident. You can see the screenshot here taken by Android Authority. This is the logo and it says Cosmo. Now, a lot of us are wondering why the new AI assistant app? We already have Gemini. I think this one is a little bit different, probably because it also works offline. You don't need internet, but if you want to, you can also use it online. There is a option. So let's actually check it out how this works and all that. First of all, this app is huge, 1.13 gigabyte. That means it probably comes with a local AI model that runs on your phone without any internet. Now let's check out the screenshots. You can see this is the user interface of this AI assistant. Looks pretty simple. I don't know why they're using magenta everywhere or pink. And let's check out the settings. Here you can see there are a lot of settings. Cosmo, enable, disable, fulfillment model. You can probably change that to something else. And there are some other options like ambient, awareness, screen context, screen interactions. What? It can also interact with your phone? That's crazy. You can enable or disable these options. And we also have skills section. So this AI will have skill sets. And yes, you can also change the AI model here. So there are three options: hybrid, PI only, and nano only. Hybrid, if your phone is connected to the internet, it will use the online AI model, probably Gemini. If you're offline, then it will use Nano offline, probably a customized AI model that runs on your phone. Then we have PI only option. This will probably use the online Gemini model. And we have Nano only, which says use local Nano app only. That means it will only use AI locally, no internet. This is actually interesting because it has some options, like questionable options, like screen interactions. Basically, you allow the app to interact with your phone. So I'm imagining that it's an AI that you can use to automate anything and you don't have to touch your phone. Like you can say, open this app. Let's say Facebook, Instagram. You can say, write the post about this or something, and you don't have to touch your phone, basically. So I'm hoping that's what it means by screen interactions. You basically allow the AI to interact with your phone, and you give a voice command and it will do the things for you, opening applications, call. Gemini can also do that actually. Like it can make a call, it can open an application, it can set alarm and all that, the basic stuff. So what I'm thinking is that this new Cosmo AI can do more advanced stuff, like opening an app, and then maybe you ask it to write something on that app, or you want to make a post, or you want to write an email and send it to you, basically automating everything. That's what I think it is. In simple words, what I'm thinking is that you'll be able to use your phone entirely using a voice. You give it a voice command and it will complete the task. Again, Google accidentally released it and now it's not available in the Google Play Store. But it looks like they might introduce this app or release this app later this month when Google I/O 2026 happens. So right now we have a lot of questions. Just looking at it, I'm just assuming that this is gonna be a deeper level of AI assistant than the Gemini. It will have more control over your phone and you'll be able to use your phone without actually interacting with your phone, like a Jarvis. Have you seen the Iron Man movie? I'm pretty sure you have. So Tony has a AI assistant called Jarvis, which can do almost anything that he asks. Okay, so yeah, something like that. Just imagine you can use your entire phone just with your commands. Okay, hands free. No need to finger your phone. Touch your phone. Let's see what happens when it actually gets revealed by Google officially with their explanation and everything. I'll keep you guys updated with this. And yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.